Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. We're going to call it Whiskey Wednesday. Yeah. All right. Last night, actually yesterday, it was kind of a mini marathon. I prepared pozole. It's very good. Very, very good. Like I was trying to describe it to Robin, it's kind of for me, it was a 3-part process. You had the chicken, you had the sauce, and then you had putting it all together. So, it is I wrote down notes because people ask me a lot on how do I time manage in the kitchen. Well, one of the first things I do, especially on a more complicated recipe or dish or a Thanksgiving or a holiday meal, is I write down the times it takes to do things. That way I have in my brain better idea on how much time each section takes. Roasting time, baking times, boiling times, and so forth. So yeah, that's what I did. And it's just over a 2-hour process to do pozole properly. But it was really good. Robin is taking a lot of it to leftovers, a lot of the leftovers to work. Big fans of pozole. She found out yesterday that her boss is a big fan of pozole. So she's taking the sides, the garnishes and everything. So yeah, they're going to have a little bit of a feast this morning. I'm not cooking tonight because Robin has a meeting away. In other words, not in the house, but it's local, but just not here. Yeah, not a Zoom meeting. So today's is fun for ourselves. Not sure what I'm going to cook for myself yet, but I'll figure it out. I got leftovers. I got leftovers. But tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a shrimp and broccoli stir fry in garlic sauce, and I'll be serving that over brown rice. I've had requests for the pozole recipe, so I will get that up this morning for sure. So yeah. And on this Whiskey Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.